Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of being here, you're highly welcome. My name is Jessica Rema. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how to prepare condensed milk chocolate cake by steaming. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and to my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. For the ingredients, I've got flour, butter, eggs, condensed milk, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, and vanilla paste. Now into a mixing bowl, I'll sieve in all the dry ingredients: the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Once I'm done sieving this, I'll give this a proper stir and set aside. So I'll give this a proper stir. Make sure it's very well combined, that there is no strain of white flour. Set this aside while I continue. Now to the eggs, I will crack it and separate the white from the yolk. So once I'm done separating the yolk from the white, I will add the yolk to a mixing bowl, and into it I'll add the condensed milk. I'll give this a proper whisk until they are very well combined. Now I'll be adding the softened butter. I'll give this a proper whisk. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Whisk this until the butter is very well melted. So at this point, I'll be introducing the dry ingredients we mixed earlier on. I will just sieve it through once more because we are not using machine for this recipe. Sieving it makes it easier to mix. So using my whisker, I will just give this a proper stir. I will whisk this until everything in there is very well combined. Now I'll be adding the vanilla paste. You can as well use any other flavor of your choice. It's not a must you use vanilla paste. You can use vanilla extract or any other flavor you prefer. So I'll give this a proper whisk and I will set this aside while I continue. So now using my egg whisker, I will whisk this egg white until it has doubled in size. This will take about 5 minutes. So you have to take your time and be patient with it, and you will achieve the perfect result. In whisking this, the trick is that you whisk in one direction. Is either you whisk anti-clockwise or clockwise, but it's better to whisk it in one direction. Now I will fold in a quarter of the egg white into the batter. I will gently fold this in. And finally, I will fold in the rest of the egg whites. Once I add this, I will fold it in gently and the batter is ready. So this is the final result of the batter. As you can see, it's very smooth even though I did not use machine for the mixing. So now I will add the batter into my baking pan. I've already prepared this pan and added my parchment paper. So I will add the batter. This is the perfect consistency for this recipe. So once I'm done adding the batter into my baking pan, I will lift it twice to release the air bubbles. Then I will cover it with foil. Make sure you cover this very well to avoid water vapor from entering it while steaming. Set your steam on a low medium heat and steam this for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the skewer comes out neat. After 35 minutes, I will check on it. Now using my skewer, I will check on it and make sure it's done. So as you can see, the skewer came out clean. That shows that it's done. Now I will remove it from the heat and allow it to cool for at least 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it's time to give the cake a cut. Guys, you can't imagine the aroma of this cake. It's all over the house. Give this a try and you will not regret it. So here we go. This is just perfect. Look at it, guys. Very yummy and fluffy. You can imagine the aroma of this cake. It's all over the house. I hope by this video I've motivated you to try out steamed chocolate condensed milk cake. Don't forget to keep your comments in the comment section below. Like this video and share with family and friends. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, if you are watching and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that red button that says subscribe and the golden bell will pop out beside it. Click on that bell and select all so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much and remain blessed. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.